Hello guys, welcome back to the class. Today we will discuss what is network topology and what are the types of network topology. So let's start the session. What is network topology? Network topology refers to the arrangement or structure of a computer network, determining how devices are connected and how data flows within the network. Let's know about its types. So here are the 7 types of topologies. Star topology, bus topology, ring topology, mesh topology, tree topology, hybrid topology, and point-to-point topology. First of all, let's discuss what is star topology and how it works. Star topology is a network topology where each network device is connected to a central device called a hub or a switch. The controller in the star topology acts as a mediator. The device, who wants to send data to another device, sends it to the controller. The controller relays the data to the connected device. What are the advantages and disadvantages of star topology? So the advantages are: first, easy to troubleshoot. Second, if one computer on the network fails, the rest of the network continues to function normally. Third, no disruption in removal or addition of any devices. Fourth, very easy to manage. And the disadvantages are: first, if the hub fails, the entire link will collapse. Second, require more cable length in comparison to bus topology. Third, more expensive than bus topology due to the higher costs of the hubs. Next type of topology is bus topology. Bus topology is a network type in which every computer and network device is connected to a single cable. This topology is famously used for the local area network. In this topology, all the nodes are connected through a single cable, known as backbone. Advantages of bus topology are: first, if one computer on the network fails, the network will be unaffected. Second, easy to add, remove any devices. Third, suitable for small networks. Fourth, requires less cable. Fifth, less expensive. Disadvantages of bus topology are: first, very difficult to troubleshoot. Second, maintenance cost is quite high. Third, terminations are essential on both the end. Fourth, there is a limit to cable length and number of stations. Fifth, if the backbone fails, the entire system will collapse. Next one is ring topology. A ring topology is a network configuration where device connections create a closed circular data path. It forms a ring connecting devices with exactly 2 neighboring devices. It is unidirectional. The signal is transmitted in one direction, either clockwise or counterclockwise, from device to device until reaches the destination. Advantages of ring topology: first, can handle workload greater than a star topology. Second, there is no need of network server for the management of the connections. Third, cheaper than a star topology as less wiring is required. Fourth, a large network can be created by adding a token ring. And the disadvantages are: first, a break in the ring can collapse the entire topology. Second, much slower than the Ethernet network. Third, any addition or removal of devices affects the entire network. Next one is mesh topology. A mesh topology is a network setup where each computer and network device is interconnected with one another. Unlike ring topology, the data can be transmitted and received from multiple sources to destinations. A network in which each device is connected to other through mesh topology is called as a full mesh. Advantages of mesh topology are: first, there is no traffic problem due to a dedicated link. Second, the topology is quite robust. Third, troubleshooting is easier. Fourth, if one link fails, it does affect the other links. Fifth, security for data travels with the dedicated line. And the disadvantages are: first, installation and reconnection is difficult. Second, the hardware required for the mesh topology is expensive. Third, a large amount of cabling and I/O ports are required. Then comes tree topology. A tree topology is a special type of structure where many connected elements are arranged like the branches of a tree. The tree topology begins with a connection from the head. The branches are the various star topologies connected through the hub. Each hub acts as the root of the topology. The transmission of the data propagates through a medium, and the data can be received to all other stations. Advantages of tree topology are: first, the tree topology is suited as best for the branches network. Second, supported by the hardware and software vendors. Disadvantages are: first, more expensive as require more hubs for installation. Second, if the backbone fails, the entire network will collapse. Third, very difficult to configure. Next is hybrid topology. A hybrid topology is a type of network topology that uses two or more differing network topologies. These topologies can include a mix of bus topology, mesh topology, ring topology, star topology, and tree topology. Advantages of tree topology are: first, this topology is very flexible. Second, the size of the network can be easily expanded by adding new devices. And the disadvantages are: first, it is challenging to design the architecture of the hybrid network. Second, hubs used in this topology are very expensive. Third, the infrastructure cost is very high as a hybrid network requires a lot of cabling and network devices. Last one is point-to-point topology. Point-to-point topology is a type of topology that works on the functionality of the sender and receiver. It is the simplest communication between two nodes, in which one is the sender and the other one is the receiver. Point-to-point provides high bandwidth.